Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow microphone access on Roblox, especially with the latest updates. Whether you're playing with friends or joining exciting adventures, having the microphone enabled can enhance your gaming experience. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head over to your settings. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, find and tap on the Roblox icon. This will open up the app's specific settings where you can manage permissions. Next, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Here you'll see various permissions that you can enable or disable. Now locate the Microphone option. Tap on that to proceed. Finally, choose Allow Only while using the app. This setting ensures that Roblox has access to your microphone only when you're actively playing, helping maintain your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully allowed microphone access on Roblox. Now you're all set to communicate with your friends and immerse yourself in the game. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!